Okay, there we go. Video's going. Now, I just hooked the batteries up. I'm going to turn the power on now. Take a look at the gauges. Bing! That's right. It'll work. Power's getting to everything. Try it again. Turn it off. And that's actually is a gauge for the power. But all the other gauges are working. You can see them all go on. Everything went on. So I have it hooked up completely right. Go figure. Now all I gotta do is hit the starter, but I gotta make sure that I'm out of gear, and I'm gonna make sure I have the brake on. So I'm gonna do that later, but not tonight. I just wanted to make sure I could get this thing turned on and make sure everything's gonna work. So, yep, another little milestone finished tonight. I got that much to work to now.